Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am here with a small project share, and this project is for a swap that I participated in, and the swap is on the website SwapBot. Now if you're not familiar with SwapBot, I will have it in the description box, and it's a place to where there's a whole lot of different groups for swaps. So I'm only in one of the groups on SwapBot, and it is hosted by Venetta. Venetta is Dora's Girls 9 on Instagram. I will have all of that in the description box. So the name of the group on SwapBot is Paper Crafting Pros Swaps. So Paper Crafting Pros Swaps is the name of this particular group on SwapBot. So what we were supposed to do in this swap is a monochromatic mini embellishment box, and we were given a tutorial to follow as well. So the color that I picked was, of course, pink. So this is my box. Now, I did not follow the tutorial exactly. So the tutorial is from Superior 19. I don't know, but I'll link it below. But I just made my box just a tad bit bigger and a little bit deeper is all I did. So this is my box here, and we were to have at least 6 compartments, and 2 of those compartments had to be handmade items. So it's like a match box style. So this is how I decorated the top. Everything is pink, but it is in different tones. And for the layering piece, I just ran it through my an embossing folder to give it like the wood grain finish. So I did that just on the top and the sides. So I made these flowers here, the pretty leaves, everything is pink, and I had that little pink cutie in my stash, so I put her right there. And then when you open the box, this is what I have on the inside. So since we're so close to Easter and spring, I did 2 different styles of flowers, and these are my 2 handmade items. Over here I have a bunch of different colors and styles of pink, already wrapped beads. In this one I have these little pink bunnies there, cabochons. And then over here I have some pink star beads there. And then right here is a sequins mix that is like a transparent pink. And there's a whole bunch of different shapes. You got hearts, you got stars, you got seashells. I don't know what else is in there. But it's a bunch of different shapes in a transparent pink. So that is going to go there. So that is my little embellishment monochromatic embellishment box, handmade. So I also like to send extras, and this is like one-on-one swaps. You don't know who your partner is going to be, and you don't know who you're going to receive from. So whoever your partner is, that's not going to be who you receive from. That makes sense. So I'm also going to include this little pink cutie here. I shared this in my last video. This is a armchair mini album die from My Crafting World Anna. And okay, that's her YouTube. but mycraftingworlddesigns.com is the website. I will have all of that in the description box. And I also have a coupon code. I'm going to throw that in there. Lisa G10 to save on her website. So I showed this in the previous video in detail. But I did everything in pink. So I wanted to send it with this swap. And I just have a few little extra goodies in here. I have these little pink dome cabochons in a cute little bag, pink bag. I made this all pink dangle here, and this die right here is like a keychain die from Scrap Diva Designs. So I did that, and then I just had a whole bunch of pink die cuts that I've been working with for Easter and spring. So I just picked up several bows. This is like a little flag piece and some rolled flowers, but it's a bunch of little cuties in there, so I'm going to include that as well. So these are just some extra goodies that I am putting in on my swap. And in the swap, you're always supposed to put some kind of card or a sheet. And this right here was gifted to me by Venetta herself, who is the host of this swap. I love it. I just love these. And this is my last one. So I'm going to have to make me some more. But, you know, it says you have received a, and then you circle, which I did not do, which one it is. So this is a swap. So you have a choice of if you're just going to send somebody a card, a swap, a wish, a rack. It could be a prize that they won or an entry for a challenge. So she already had everything filled out for me right there. So this is my last one. So I'm going to have to make me some of these because I really love this idea. And usually in this empty space right here, I'll put like a little cute little sticker. So that is going to go in with my swap. And this is, you put who you're sending it to. So my partner is Sheila, who is One Cool Crafter. And that's the name of the swap. I didn't put the date in it yet because I'm actually going to send it. I'm filming this on a Saturday. I'm going to send it Monday. But this video will not be up until after it says it's delivered. Okay. So I'm not sure if she is on YouTube or anything like that. So, and I have sent to her before. So that is my little swap. Tell me what you think. And I will have everything in the description box. And I thank y'all for watching. And like I said, it's Saturday here. So I hope you all have a great weekend. And I will see you all in the next video.